Man, oh man. Just need some popcorn for these winners. Come back down a little bit. The shorter's got a little meat on that bone. And here we go again. Are you guys enjoying the show? Look at it. Buying pressure, selling pressure. Up 33% today. Pretty much every day. 6 million shares at $4. That's $24 million that went through this stock. That was a penny stock like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. If you've been watching my alerts, I've been talking about this stock since it's been coming up, since it's been at $1. Now it's at $4. Can you guys believe this? It's absolutely unbelievable what's happening here, guys. Something magical happening. It's like there's magic in these hands. There's definitely magic in these picks, guys. Look at this. It's unbelievable what's happening, guys. Do you guys feel the energy? Do you guys feel the power of the picks? Like, I don't know what's going on, but this is the gift that keeps on giving. And if you've jumped on this train, well, I got to give it to you. You've done pretty good for yourself. What do we call these guys? What do we call these guys? I know what I like to call them. I like to call them big winners. That's right, CMBX. This is the gift that keeps on giving, people. It's going up every single day. Have you jumped on that train? Have you made money with the rich picks? I got viewers calling me from all over North America, telling me that they've been making so much money. Are you a single mom? Are you a single dad? Are you in a dead-end job? Are you a student? Are you a senior looking for ways to make money? Well, I'm telling you right now that you can come to Rich TV Live every single day and you can get picks absolutely free. And these picks are going up, people. There's the evidence. Picks that we're talking about every single day, and they continue to go up every single day, giving you an opportunity to make unlimited earning potential. This is like the video game that adults can play at home. While you're at work, you could just be making money. While you're at school, you could just be making money. It doesn't matter if you put in $100 or $1,000 or $10,000 into this stock, you have made money. I had a caller, a subscriber, call me up yesterday and tell me that I have changed his life, that I have put food on his family's table. Now, have I done this? No, I haven't done this. You have done this. You, the people, you, the public, have spoken. You guys are tired of the dead-end jobs. You guys are tired of working 9 to 5. You guys are tired of looking at your boss that you just hate. But you got to keep kissing their ass every single day because you're afraid of not being able to pay your bills at the end of the month. And I get it. I totally understand. I feel your pain. That's why I wanted to create a platform where you, me, us, all of us collectively can put our minds together, put our eyes and ears together on the floors, doing the due diligence to figure out which are the most undervalued companies on the planet that we can get involved with, we can make our money and run. Well, one of our subscribers made some big money and he ran. And he made over 6 figures on one of my picks, on one of your picks, on one of our picks. Congratulations. We're changing lives, people. This isn't about how many subscribers we have. And we have 252 subscribers. And on Monday, we had 200 and I asked for 300. And we're more than 50% of the way there, people. I got to give it up to you guys. Without you guys, none of this is possible. Every single day, people are subscribing to the channel. Every single day, people are calling me up and saying, thanks, Rich, for your picks and helping me make money. And I pick up the phone. And I love talking to you guys. It fuels me to find you great picks. It fuels me to find you deals that are the hottest deals on the planet. Deals that are just on fire, that are going up every single day. Why shouldn't you know? Why shouldn't you get the alerts first? Why are the rich getting richer? Why are the trillionaires making more trillions when we're struggling to make thousands? Those days are over, people. Because of Rich TV Live, because of you, because of the platform that we're creating together, I promise you, things are going to change. We're going to leave no rock unturned. If there's a pick that is hot, I want to know, guys. Tell me so I can tell you, so we can all make money together in real time. The future is now. Technology is growing so fast, but we're ahead of the curve, people. Don't you understand? We're doing this in real time. This is happening in real time. If there's an alert that's hotter than CNBX on the planet, I want to know right now. Give me your picks so I can let you guys know and we can all make tons of money together, people. That's the beauty of this. Together, everybody achieves more. We are a team. We are a unit. Together, we're going to get rich. We're going to be able to have financial freedom. We're going to be able to buy our lives back. I don't work 9 to 5, if you guys haven't noticed, people. This is what I do every single day. I've committed myself to you, to this platform. This is what I'm doing, and I'm going to make a lot of money doing it because of you and your picks, and you're going to make a lot of money doing it because of all of our picks together. Because if we put our minds together and we analyze these picks and we watch these picks and we do our due diligence and I bring on CEOs so we can ask them the tough questions and we can figure out if those are companies that we want to put our hard-earned money into. And I don't care if you're a student and you're putting in your lunch money, and if it's $20 or $30 or $50 or $100, if a stock goes up 400% in 2 weeks, like CNBX has, $100 is $400, $1,000 is $4,000, $10,000 is $40,000. There's a lot of money to be made here, people. Understand what's going on, and anybody can do it. You know, a lot of people don't really understand. They think that this is for the rich, this is for the elite, that this is just for special people, this is for the privileged. No, don't you guys understand? Now the people have the ability to take these computers. I got 5 of them in front of me right now. I got computers all around me, people. You take these computers and you make money with these things. These are money-making machines. Don't you guys understand? Your phones, these are money-making machines, people. I hope you guys understand what's going on here. I hope you guys understand what's happening. This is a revolution that's happening, people. Things are changing. Times are changing. We're in the age of communication. We're in the future is now. The future is CNBX. That is your future. That is your future calling you. Saying, hey, I don't want to work 9 to 5. I don't want to be working for some dead-end job. I don't want to go look at my boss today. It's Friday. I want to go watch Rich TV Live and have some fun and make some money. And then after I make some money today, I'm going to go and enjoy my life. And I'm going to go spend time with my friends. I'm going to spend time with my family. I'm going to spend time with my loved ones. I'm going to spend time with my kids. I'm going to do whatever I want to do because it's my life. And I have the ability to take control of my life again because of the stock market, because this is a video game for adults, people. Are you watching while I'm talking to you? While I'm talking to you, the stock has gone down 1%. It's went from 390 to 370. This is a game, but this game is extremely risky. However, if we put our minds together and we work as a unit, we can change the world. We can make the world a better place for everybody in Canada, America, Mexico, in all the different countries all over the world, in all the different continents all over the world. If you can get a trading account, you can change your life. And I'm not talking about the money that you're going to make. I'm talking about the freedom that you're going to create for yourself to be able to do what you truly want to do in your life and regain your future, people. Regain your lives back. Like, it's absolutely crazy. Let me show you guys what's happening, okay? Because it's just nuts what's going on out there. Here's a pic given to me by you, ADHC. This is a sub-penny stock. It's up 30% today. It was brought to me by you, once again, bringing me winners, guys. That's why I love you guys. And you know what? I'm really excited. I don't even know what to do, guys. Everything I'm touching is turning to gold. I don't know what to do. You're bringing me winners, and they're going up 30%. Like, something special is happening. Do you guys feel it? Do you guys see it? Are you watching the pics? I talked about this one a couple weeks back, and I said, I think it's going to hit a bottom. Surprise, surprise, people. STAF. Take a look at it now. Up 26% today. Traded 1 million shares, and I brought it to you first. It's just crazy. I don't even know what to say. And then I bring you one of my picks. And it's one of my picks that I sold, and I made thousands of dollars on this pick, and I was super happy. Bought it at 141. Went all the way to 236 on Monday. I go to my son's soccer tournament thinking I'm a cool guy, sell it at 236. It's at 277. And I brought it to you guys when it was at 209. a week ago, representing an incredible gain of over 30% in 1 week. What is happening right now is something that's bigger than me. It's you guys that's driving this channel. It's you guys that are watching. It's you guys that are subscribing. It's you guys that are commenting and constantly giving me updates, giving me feedback, giving me pics, telling me what I got to do to be better for you, to make you guys enjoy the show even more, so that we can make this a bigger and better opportunity for everybody involved. You guys are making this possible. You guys are allowing this channel to grow so quickly that I see a day where it's going to get bigger. And right now we're at 252 subscribers. But we're going to get to 300. And we're going to get to 400. And we're going to get to 500. And we're going to get to 600. And we're going to get to 1,000. And then we're going to get to 10,000. And the pics are going to get better, because we're going to have more people watching. We're going to have better traders watching, better investors watching. And the more we will work together as a unit to identify trends and identify the bottom, the more likely we will be able to create success, and the more likely we will be able to continue to win. So I love you guys, what you guys are doing. I love the energy you guys are bringing to me, calling me up and telling me how much money you've made and how I've helped you change your life and how I've given you hope. Because the more you call me, giving me your hope, the more motivation it gives me to bring you better pics, to bring you my energy and my motivation, to be able to bring you my vision of a world, a better place where we can all be one and work together as a unit. And collectively, everyone can achieve more freedom, more financial freedom, more fun, love, happiness. Together, we can change the world. And they say that money doesn't create happiness, but that is not true. Money creates freedom, which creates happiness. Don't listen to the nonsense, people. If we don't have money, we can't go to the villa in the Dominican Republic. We can't go to that vacation to Mexico. We can't go to that trip to Vegas. We can't go to that UFC fight. We can't go to the World Series. We can't go to the World Cup. We can't do all these great fun things that all the celebrities do that we love to watch and read about. Why can't we do it too? Why can't you do it too? You can, and you will. All you got to do is go to www.richtvlive.com and watch the pics every single day. Start learning. Go to Rich TV Live on YouTube and watch all my videos and watch every single pic and watch and do the due diligence and see how much they've gone up. And since I've given you those pics, how much they've gone up, and look at their charts. Learn to analyze stocks and learn to see the bottom and learn to think like a public company and understand that these companies have pressure from you, the shareholders, to take the stocks up, and understand that the more they take the stocks up, the more money these companies are making and the more money you're making. And there's a revolution in the medical marijuana space right now, people. And if you don't understand what's going on, you got to start paying attention. Because licensed producers are going from the sub pennies into the dollar range. And 5 or 10 years from now, they could be in the hundreds of dollars range. This is life-changing opportunities. But we need to make money while these companies are growing. So since we need to make money while these companies are growing, we need to take our profits and run. And we can't be greedy and wait for them to go to $100 because we could be waiting for a really long time. So it's better to take your profits and run so you can have a bigger account and more money and more ammunition for the next really big pick like CNBX that's running 400% in a matter of weeks. So you got to learn to take your profits and run and learn to live to fight another day. I've never seen a $100 trade or a $1,000 trade that I didn't personally like, because the average person makes $100 a day in North America. Forget countries like the Dominican Republic where they make like a percentage of that. So we need to learn to appreciate what we have. And if you have a job, I'm not telling you to quit your job. I'm telling you to take that money that you're spending on cigarettes, on booze, on stupid shit that isn't making you money, and learn to go to your local bank and say, hey, how do I open up a trading account? I would like to open up a trading account. There's this guy, his name is Rich. He's on Rich TV Live, and he's talking every single day about everybody can have a trading account and anybody can make money and how easy it is. And it is easy, people. There are kids, teenagers that are making millions of dollars in the market because they know how to read charts and they know how to understand trends. And if you understand trends right now, the medical marijuana industry is just in the infancy stages. So just imagine if you're getting involved in alcohol when alcohol was becoming a government product as opposed to being a black market product, which this is exactly what's happening. And there's a transition that's happening because you have people that have been operating in a gray area, in an illegal area in countries like America and Canada and other countries like Germany that are getting deregulated right now, and Israel and all these countries that are starting to deregulate, that want to use the medical marijuana as a way to generate revenue as opposed to taking these people, treating them like criminals and putting them in jail. This is a revolution that's happening. People that are spending 30 years in life in jail, today those same people are making millions of dollars legally. So things are changing and you guys have to understand what's happening. And if you can learn to identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities, you can change your life and you can get freedom back. And that's more important than the money. But the money buys the freedom. And that's why I think money is important. And everybody that's saying that money isn't important, they're probably making so much money that they don't think it's important. But if you're not making that kind of money, then it is important to you. And it's probably one of the key causes of your stress, of your problems, of your headaches, of your mental health, of your physical health, of your relationship issues. The reality is money affects all of us. And the reality is these public companies, they print it. They print it. Okay, guys? So you guys have to really understand what public companies are doing. They're printing stocks. They print shares and they sell them. And that's how these companies raise money. So if you have the opportunity to think like a tycoon, like Warren Buffett, who's invested billions of dollars in the medical marijuana space, if he's doing it and he's the most successful investor ever, why are we not doing it? Wouldn't it be a good idea to do what the rich are doing and follow their patterns and their tendencies? And when you see stocks are going up every single day, isn't that pretty much just like free money? And wouldn't I be stupid not to buy something that goes up every single day? 30% a day, like CNBX, one of the hottest stocks in the universe. We're talking life-changing opportunities here, people. We're talking the opportunity to change your life and make money, money that you never even dreamed of making. Life-changing money. In the next year, if we continue to work together and look for undervalued opportunities, we will continue to find stocks that are going to go up 10%, 20%, 30%, 100%, 500%, 1,000%, 10,000%, maybe even 100,000%. That is a fact. You can book it. And if you go through all my videos and you look at all the different pics that I brought to your guys' attention, you can actually see examples of that already in those pics. And we just started doing this a few weeks ago, people. So imagine where we're going to be able to take this. I'm committing myself to you guys. I'm going to be here every single day bringing you guys winners. And I want you every single day to continue to bring me winners and continue to bring deals like this that can change people's lives. So if you're a single mom, if you're a single dad, if you're a family that's happy but just looking to make more money, if you're a student looking for a way to make money, if you're a student that's heavily into debt, looking for a way to get out of your student loan debt, if you're a professional just looking for a way to make an extra income, what better way to do it from your phone, which you're looking at every single day? You go into an elevator and all you see is people doing this. That's what everybody does nowadays. So why wouldn't you give them the opportunity to buy their stocks right from their phone? Why wouldn't you give them the opportunity to buy their stocks right from their laptop? Why wouldn't you give them the opportunity to buy their stocks right from their computer, from their bathroom, from their living room, from their boat, from their yacht, from their villa, from their home, from their balcony, from anywhere? You can do this, guys. Technology has changed the world. You now can be a stockbroker. You can be your own financial advisor. And trust me, I'm giving you guys advice because I've made a lot of these mistakes. I've invested money into financial advisors, financial planners, and I've seen them lose my money. And then I said, why don't I just do this for myself? Why don't I just start learning how to do this myself? Why do I need to go and give my hard-earned money to somebody else? Why would I do that when I could just do this for myself? And I started learning how to do it, and it changed my life. And now I don't have to even leave my home to make money. But it also feels nice to know that I can some days make thousands of dollars before I leave my home, and I can leave my home sometimes in 5 or 10 minutes, make thousands of dollars, and then I can enjoy the rest of my day. That to me is priceless. And if you've got kids and you're really busy and you just don't have enough time, this is something that can buy you time. And I'm speaking to each and every one of you, everyone all over the world that doesn't understand stocks and is afraid of stocks and thinks that stocks are scary and thinks that stocks are dangerous and thinks that stocks will hurt you. You're right, they can. But if you have a plan and you have a system and you follow it every single day and you follow this plan and you have a real plan that is a plan that's going to be able to make sure that you don't get hurt, a foolproof plan, where you use tools like www.barchart.com, like I use and I show you guys, to evaluate the stocks, determine how much pressure, buying pressure is coming into the security at a given time, and give you other opinions based on professionals that have been in the industry for years, and then use those opinions to determine whether or not you like the stock and if you want to actually buy it right then and there. And if you have that gut feeling like this is something that's going to explode, you got to learn to trust your gut. And if you get in and it starts to explode and it's up 10%, 20%, 30%, take your money and run. Learn to be happy with your profits. I bought MJN. It went up. I sold it. It went up even more. Am I angry that I lost a little bit of profit? I lost thousands of dollars by selling early. Am I excited about it? Hell no. But am I happy that I made thousands on the trade? Hell yes. And am I happy that I made the trade? Yes. Would I do it again? Yes, because you need to be conditioned to learn to be happy. When you take your profits and run, you got to learn to be happy with your profits, because those are profits. And when you lose on a trade and you see how horrible it feels, because you will lose in the markets, you're not always going to win. Sometimes you will lose. And when you do lose, it feels horrible. If you guys have been at the casino, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. When you win, it feels fabulous. You feel like you just took money from the casino. But when you lose, it is the worst feeling in the world because you just let the casino take your hard-earned money. I don't want that to happen here, people. I want you to get in, make your profit, typically 10, 20, 30%, take your profit out and run. Now, if you buy a stock and it shoots up 1,000%, for sure take your 1,000% and run. If it's up 500%, 200%, 300%, take your profit and run. That's money that can help you pay your bills, pay your mortgage, buy your girlfriend a diamond ring. It can help you put food on the table. It can help you buy new shoes for your kids. It can help you, buy a new car for your business partner. Whatever it is that you want to do, buying and selling stocks can help you do that. And I want to make it easy for you guys. I want you guys to walk into your local bank and I want you to say to your bank, I want to open up a trading account. If that bank doesn't have a trading brokerage account, then I want you to go to a place like an E-Trade or a TD Ameritrade. These are different places where you can set up a brokerage account to be able to start buying and selling stocks. And I'm specifically looking for stocks that are in very hot industries like the pharmaceutical industry and the medical marijuana industry. But I'm also watching gold, I'm watching banking stocks, I'm watching tech stocks. I will look at any stock. I don't discriminate. I will buy anything from Berkshire Hathaway stock, which is $246,000 a share, all the way down to a penny stock that's a 0001 if I think it could move. And I'm not afraid to take risk that the average person won't take. But the reality is I'm prepared to take that risk because I understand that I'm in the risk business. Now, once you get to a point where you've made X amount of money, you can afford to take some money, put it aside, and say, this is money that I'm going to put at risk. And I'm going to put it into these penny stocks. Anything under a penny, I think, is extremely risky. And I would say 99.9% of the time, you could lose money. Anything under a penny. So I want you guys to really understand that. However, those are the same stocks where you put in $1,000 in a stock at 0001 and it goes to a penny, that $1,000 will make you $100,000. That is a fact. If you buy a stock at 0001 and it goes from 0001 to 001, your 1,000 will be worth 10,000. And then if it goes from 001 to a penny, your 10,000 will now be worth 100,000. So you can make $100,000 on a $1,000 investment. But you got to be prepared to potentially lose that entire 1,000 investment because 0001 is literally the bottom of the stock market. What I call the underworld. Isn't this funny? This is like a video game, people. It was at 390, it went down to 370, and now it's back to 390. This is literally a game. And you guys need to understand how the game is being played. So I don't know why the stock is going up every single day. I don't even think it's probably even worth $4. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I honestly don't know. But there's some people that know something about this that we don't know. And how big can it go? We don't know. But if you're willing to take a chance, you're willing to take a risk, this is a stock that's going up every single day. So it's almost like a can't lose situation. But the reality is it's like when is it going to hit its ceiling and start to come back down? The beautiful thing about the stock market is it has no ceiling. So the reality is this could just keep going up forever. But 99% of the time, these stocks will not keep going up forever. But for every 99.9% of the time where it doesn't go up forever, there's that 0.1% like a CNBX that just keeps going up. And here on Rich TV Live, we get the opportunity to identify those opportunities. And I want to say thank you to all of you guys for bringing me these picks. Thank you for all of you guys to bring me these opportunities. Thank you for all of you guys to bring me these winners. Let's take a look at what's going on in the room. We got 22 people in the room. Wow, that's got to be a record. Let's hear it for you guys. I love you guys. Without you, none of this is possible. Let's hit 300 subscribers, people. We're up to 252. We got 3 days left to get 48 more subscribers. Let's just hit 1,000. Forget 300. Let's hit 1,000. Man, we're breaking records. Why wouldn't everybody want to be watching? Look what's happening here. Are you guys buying while I'm talking? Is that what's happening? Who's watching? Who's out there? What are you guys looking at? What's up today? What's on fire? What's on fire, people? Tell me. You can't wait to quit your 9 to 5? I never had a 9 to 5. But if I did, I probably want to quit too. When all I'm doing is bringing you guys winners every single day. Breaking records, people. All you gotta do is go onto YouTube and you see it. It says live now. It says good news. Stocks are going up. We're making money on a Friday. I love you guys. Without you guys, none of this is absolutely even possible. And we're building the fastest growing show on YouTube. There it is, people. 252 subscribers, 14,700 views, and that's in literally weeks because of you guys. Without you guys, none of this is possible, and I absolutely love you guys. Thank you for being you guys. Thank you for being you. So, let's talk about some more stocks. And I'm going to have to keep talking about this stock because honestly, it's got to be one of the hottest stocks in the world. And let's talk about why. CNBX. It's a 100% buy on bar chart, people. If you haven't noticed, I use barchart.com. Now, the reason that I use barchart.com is I've been using it for years. And when they give you 100% buy, top 1% signal strength, it's pretty much telling you there's a lot of buying pressure. And this has been just running up like crazy. And I honestly don't know how high it can go. I don't know. What do you guys think? How high do you guys think it could go? What do you guys think? Do you guys think it could go any higher? Are we going at like $10 with this thing? What do you guys think? What's your guys' opinion? What do you guys think? Can this continue? What do you think, guys? Is CNBX going to continue to be the gift that keeps on giving? Let's look at the chart on this puppy, because this thing's just a beauty. Look at this, guys. Like, unbelievable. Unbelievable. February 13th, we were at $1. We're at $4. Can you believe what's happening? This has gone up 400% in 4 days. Are people in New York that are big-time bankers and brokers watching this show? I see the demographics. There's a lot of you guys in New York that are watching. Are you guys buying my picks? Are you guys watching this show and buying our picks, the group's picks, the community's picks that are going through the roof, making all of us so much goddamn money that we're all talking about quitting our day jobs? Don't you see what's happened here, people? This is not something that is normal. Something special is happening here. Something spiritual is happening here. Something powerful is happening here. Something catastrophic is happening here. You guys are learning how to take control of your lives. You guys want freedom. You guys are fighting back and you're taking back your lives. And I love it. And I'm going to continue to fight for you guys every single day because you guys give me the strength to bring you these pics. And you guys are bringing me these pics every single day so we can all make money together and we can change our lives together. This is absolutely unbelievable. I love what's happening here. Let's take a look at this 3-month chart. We don't even have to look at the 3-month chart. Let's look at the 1-month chart. Wow, this is life-changing right here, guys. This is life-changing. 474% in 1 month. 990% in 3 months. 17,000% in 1 year. If you put $1,000 in this stock a year ago, that $1,000 would have made you $170,000. What's going to be the next big winner, people? We need to work together. We need to find winners every single day that are going to give us this opportunity. What's the next big winner, people? Bring it to me. I'm going to be looking every single day, but together, if there's thousands of us looking at pics every single day, maybe we can find the next 17,000% winner. $100 would have made you $17,000, people. Don't tell me that $17,000 wouldn't help every single person out there in the world on a $100 investment. Give me your picks, guys. What's the next big winner? What's the next CNBX? What do you guys got? You guys got any picks for me? Or have I given you all the great picks? If I've given you all the great picks, then I'm going to have to say goodbye. And then I'm going to have to probably see you guys on Monday. But if you guys have any more picks, let me know. And I'll bring them to you guys right now, right here, live on Rich TV. For all of you guys to see right now on a Friday before your weekend, so you can go to that bank and you could say, I want to open up a trading account. I'm going to go start putting some money in my account and I'm going to start buying some of those rich picks so that you can start taking control of your life. You can get your freedom back and you too can start profiting like a pro and start making money, because why do the elite have to be the only ones to be making thousands of %? You too deserve to make money. You too deserve to feed your family. You too deserve to have a future, and you too deserve to travel to faraway places like the Dominican Republic. If you guys are looking for a vacation, go to www.villablancadr.com and you too can enjoy a beautiful vacation in the sunny Dominican Republic. I have a lot of friends that love to go to a lot of faraway places. The Dominican Republic is just one of many great places all over the world that I will be traveling to, bringing you guys pick live. I'm going to be bringing you guys picks live from the Dominican Republic very, very soon. And if it's not going to be Dominican Republic, it'll be Cuba, it'll be Costa Rica, it'll be somewhere warm, somewhere where it's beautiful, because I love to take my money and run. And when I do, I typically like to enjoy it in a faraway destination where I can enjoy the weather, enjoy the beach, enjoy some friends and some family that I really like to spend time with, and just relax and enjoy my life. Because at the end of the day, why are we working so hard, people? Really, why are we working so hard? Do we really have to? Not when you're winning. Not when you're winning. Every single day. That's what's happening, guys. Big winners every single day. INGI. Let's take a look at it. INGI. I don't see INGI. Is it INGIF? $86 stock. I'd have to do some more research on this one. I don't know if this is the pick you're giving me, but this is what's popping up here. Let's take a look at some more picks, guys. You guys got any other picks for me? BYOC. Let's take a look at BYOC. Bring me some winners, guys. If you guys got winners, I want winners. Here we go. I like it. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is why I love you guys, the public, bringing me winners. Take a look at this one, guys. BYOC. Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. A sub-penny stock with an 80% buy, trend strength maximum at 001. Now, it's in the sub-penny world, so be careful. Buyer beware, but it is an 80% buy on bar chart with trend strength maximum. 12 million shares trading. I like the volume. You can see that this thing has been shooting up. It's a very good pick. You've got it coming from the underworld. Wow, look at this, guys. Up 900% in the last month. 900% in the last year, and 900% in the last 3 months. So this is a stock that's just started moving, guys. Put BYOC on full alert. Brought to me by you. Thank you, Thomas. Sorry, Kyle. Always bringing me winners, Kyle. Thank you, Kyle, for another big winner here. BYOC, I like it. I'm going to be looking at this closely, and I even might buy this stock myself with a little bit more due diligence. Great work there bringing us winners. You guys have any more picks? What do we got here? PHOT. I like PHOT. Let's take a look at it, people. $80 buy on bar chart. It's just around $0.015. Trend strength is short-term, looks pretty strong. So it's like average buy rating right now, but it's 80% buy. Looking at the chart, it's definitely finding a bottom around just under around $0.01. It's been climbing up. I definitely like this pick. I've been watching it as well very, very closely. I think this could be a big winner. Definitely put PHOT on your watch list, people. It's up 55% in the last month, 111% in the last 3 months, and 1,380% in the last year. Wow. Give it up. Thank you very much, Angel. I like PHOT. It's a big winner. I think it has huge potential. Put it on your watch list. Another big winner brought to me by you, the people, the watchers, the viewers, the subscribers. You have spoken. You're being heard, people. We are making a difference. What do we got? Got some other winners? FITX. It's a hold on bar chart at 0029, up 93%. Put FITX on full alert. FITX. It's on full alert, guys. Great work. Up 93% today. I love what's happening, people. Volume is okay, not huge. 539,000 shares. Be aware of that. It's not huge. And it's a hold, but it's in the sub-penny world. And these sub-pennies are on fire. Up 190% in the last month. Wow. Up 1,350% in the last 3 months. Up 2,800% in the last year. This is just crazy, people. Just finding winners non-stop every single day thanks to you. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Just bringing so many great picks. We just can't help but make a bunch of money when picks like this continue to be brought to my attention every single day. I love what's happening, people. You want to talk about CBIS? Let's talk about CBIS. Cannabis Science. This is a pick I know you guys love in America. It's a buy, people. 56% buy with a weakening short-term outlook. It's currently at 11 cents, up 2% today. Trend strength is strong. Now, I talked about this stock a little while ago, and I said I personally didn't like it because it had $11,000 in the bank. However, what's happening with this company is it's starting to, build some legs, build some steam, create some momentum, and it's starting to create a floor here. So you can see that the floor is starting to be created, and this might be signaling a buy very soon. If this goes to 100% buy on bar chart, I will definitely think of buying this stock, but it will just simply be like a day trade, an in and out, take your money and run move, because long term I still don't necessarily like this company until I start seeing true financials and until I see that they are getting to a point where they're making really good revenue. Once I start seeing real revenue start being generated, then that's when I would look at a pick like this and I would jump on a stock like this right away. Okay, now let's look at their 3-month performance. So they are up 52% in the last year, 320% in the last 3 months, and 1,000% in the last year, people. So that is absolutely enormous, representing a gain for you on $1,000 of $10,000 in the last year, a gain for you on $100 of $1,000 in the last year if you were to buy this stock. So it's absolutely incredible. If you're willing to put in $10,000 in this stock last year, you would be up $100,000, and that's life-changing money, people. Life-changing money. So I absolutely love this pick. I didn't like it before, but I believe that it's starting to create momentum, and I believe it's becoming a buy. And based on the floor that's being created here, I think this is getting into buy territory very, very soon, and I would be interested in day trading the stock. And if you guys like this pick, let me know, but I think it's a pick that has huge potential. Let's take a look at MCOA. I'm going to take a look at some medical marijuana stocks that I've been watching very, very closely. Take a look at MCOA, guys. It's up 6% today. It's at 8.5 cents. It's a stock that I've been watching very closely. It's an 80% buy on bar chart. Right now, the trend strength is average. It is approaching overbought territory, but I want you to make sure you put MCOA on your watch list. Make sure you put it on your radar. It's creating incredible volume. The volume is 13.7 million shares at 8 cents, which is astronomical. So when companies start having this type of volume, what happens is they're able to raise millions and millions of dollars. And because they're able to raise so much capital, it puts these companies in a situation where they could become too big to fail. And if they could start generating massive revenues on a quarterly basis and start reporting those revenues, I put these companies on full alert and I put them in the buy category. And when they're getting to like an 80% buy here on bar chart and they start approaching that 100% buy, that's when I start getting my attention on it and I start really thinking about putting my hard-earned money into these securities. So I'm bringing you guys real reasoning behind why I buy these stocks and when, because I like to make sure that they start hitting the bottom on the chart And I also like to make sure that they're approaching or they're at 100% buy on bar chart, top 1% signal strength, so that I have a lot of confidence that there's buying pressure coming into the security. So I'm buying at the right time. And when it goes up, I can take my profits and run. And it doesn't matter if I'm making $100 or $1,000. I've never seen profits I didn't like. And whenever you're in the green, don't get greedy. Learn to take your profits and run. If you get out and it continues to go up, like CNBX, you could just simply buy it again and make money the next day. So you can just continue to do that over and over again. And if the stock keeps going up, you can just keep buying it every single day. No one's telling you not to buy it if it's going up every single day. In fact, if it's going up every single day, I'm saying buy it. But you got to be careful, and eventually it will come down, and you got to learn how to be happy with your profits. And if it does come down, you got to learn to be either patient and wait for it to come back up again, and maybe even buy some more at a lower price, or you got to be willing to take a loss and just get out before it's too late. Okay? So this is really about making money. But before you can make money, this is really about learning how to think like a pro and educating yourself and training yourself how to buy low, sell high, learning how to watch trends, learning how to watch charts, learning how to read charts, learning how to identify trends, and learning how to profit from them, because that's what everybody else is doing. So if all the other rich people on Wall Street and Bay Street and all over the world that are investing are making money on these stocks, why can't you, the little guy, be making money while the big guy's making money? You can. And now, more than ever before, you can do it right from your home. And all you have to do is go to your local bank and tell them that you want to open up a trading account. And literally that trading account that you put a few $100s in, or $100 in, or $1,000 in, or $1 million in, or $10 million in, can become your gateway to financial freedom and future. These computers, these instruments, these can change your life. And they're not going anywhere, people. So start to think about what you want to do to create more future, more freedom for your future. And if you're interested in learning about trading, you can come here every single day, and I'm going to do everything I can to try to teach you, the average person, how to make more money. And if you've already been trading for years, then I want to talk to you too, and hopefully we can all make more money together, and we can all profit like the pros. And you, the little guy, can have an opportunity to change your life. I want to make a difference. When I'm giving you guys picks, and they're going up, and they're going up every single day, like PharmaCann Capital Corp that I brought to you guys a week ago, and it goes up 30%, and it's 100% buy, top 1 signal strength. It makes me so happy to see these stocks go up. It makes me so happy to see that you are getting a chance to be entertained, to make money, and to just take control of your life. And if there's one thing I want you to remember this weekend, is to like and subscribe to all your friends, to all your family. And remember, all I do is bring you winners. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the show. I absolutely love everything that's happening. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. Let's make some money so we can travel. We can have a good life. We can have fun. We can go to faraway places. And you too can be successful like the elite. You too can be successful Like Warren Buffett. You too can be successful like Bill Gates. Why do they have to be the only ones? They don't.
Turn you off from that person and look at that list, and you won't find it's a bunch of things like throwing a football 70 yards or or anything of the sort. The qualities of the first one that you admire are qualities that you, with a little practice, can make your own, and which, if practiced, will become habit forming. The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they're too heavy to be broken. I mean, my age, I can't change any of my habits. I'm stuck. But